everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking. I'm glad you dropped in today. This is, I'm glad you're able to drop in today. Let's look at it that way. It's been a very unusual week around here. It seems like everybody's been sick. I have two family members that had flu, strep, and COVID. Then several had the flu, and I just getting over the COVID. So here's the thing about it. We don't think we're got it from the same place, except the husband and wife did get it from the same place. But it's just been one of those odd weeks. So we're gonna solve it. We're gonna make a tea that most people love at this time of year because of the different things that's going around. It's very easy. You can adapt it any way you want to do it. My three ingredients today is ginger, onions, and garlic. Now you can go a different way and add different things or take different things away. But here's the thing about when you're sick, you really do need some sort of tea, something to make you feel good. A lot of people put this in because you're going to strain it anyway. And you just I'm putting a whole onion. I've got 5 cups of water in here. Just plain old tap water. Of course, I live in the country and I have good tap water from my own well. When I seem like when I feel bad or don't you feel down, you just seem like anything. You just want something hot, soothing. And if you don't think onions are soothing, go with lemon, turmeric. I can't say that word all the way. It's just different things. Make up your own if you want to. Your own little tea. Remember years ago they used to have one, but I think they've taken it off the market now, made it part of a prescription. So who knows? They probably do something we didn't. I can't get okay. And we're the same with the garlic. You don't even have to stick it in there. And I think that the ginger sort of adds a lot to it. Now all these things have been washed under, I didn't, just the sink water. For one thing, you're going to be drinking it. You don't want having mud in your tea. And there's the life of the ginger. Here's your other one. This is flu season and it's soup season. I think they go together. So when I do the tea, I'm going to make some soup. So, it's starting. I'm sorry, but I have to wipe my nose. What I'm going to do is I'm going to boil for about 5 minutes. It's not quite at boiling stage yet. And I'm going to let it boil 5 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it off and let it set for half an hour. And then when we come back, we'll strain it and try it. We have nothing to lose today. Well, I let it boil for 5 minutes. And it's been sitting here now for about a little over half an hour. You know, all of this stuff in here is still good. So if you want to use it for soup, the onions are still here. The garlic is still here. And there's nothing been added to it except the ginger. When my dad would get sick, he liked a little whiskey and lemon and honey. So my mother never let us use it because she always had something else going. But also, my mother, we had sassafras tea. We would go up in the woods. We had a lot of sassafras trees, and we would dig the roots. She would clean them, and then she would strip them and boil them. And so we always had sassafras. I haven't seen sassafras in years. Let me taste this. Yeah, that's very good. Except it needs just a tad of salt. Not salt, just a little teeny bit. Yeah, and I'm going to stick my spoon down in there again. I'm going to tell you that it's not wonderful like a cup of tea with a little bit of sugar. When you cook an onion, it changes its form. It doesn't taste like onion. It doesn't taste like garlic. I think the main taste here is the ginger. That's good. It's good for what we need right now. So, with the flu season and the COVID season and everything, find your good tea. I'm going to recommend this one. I'm keeping this one so I can put it in the refrigerator. Try it. Especially on a day when you're feeling really, really bad. Just warm it up. I would put about 1/4 of a cup of the tea and about 1/4 of a cup of water and heat it up. That way it's just got that warm, soothing, feeling to it. Try it. Listen, we got a long way to go before April when usually the flu season's over, and COVID. So take it. Have it set aside. It's worth a try. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. We might be making a pot of soup after a while. Take care. And remember the joy this time of year. Bye.